Because I always tell people I do something a little bit different. I call it purpose traveling. Purpose travel is a little bit different than just going to a place and just chilling, right? Purpose traveling is you go somewhere with the intention of healing something inside of you. And so I started healing my childhood wounds. Some people heal and don't do the work, right?
Yeah, for sure,
so I was healing in the daytime.
Yeah.
At night, I was actually like coding. And what I discovered, man, was completely life-changing, man.
Wow.
And so I was even more focused because, you know, we ain't got all this
Right,
stuff,
right,
right?
right, right.
You ain't even got the relation. Gotta do that too. You don't talk about that,
yeah.
right? You don't release.
Yeah.
So doing that, man, I was able to really discover a lot about AI apps. And we started, you know, diversifying. We started building various apps. You know, we built a book app. We started building apps in different industries. So we started really cultivating and realizing this is going to change the game, man. And me, now with apps like Lovable and Rork, we'll talk about that.
Tell me about Rork. Spell it for me. I need all the sauce. I need it. Like I didn't want to play. Talk about later. Because I know Lovable already.
RORK.com, right?
Okay.
So this is a app specifically for creating mobile apps. You can go in there similar to Lovable. And what I tell people all the time is you can go right to it, and it's specifically going to submit your app right to the Apple Store and also the Android store.
And that's the game changer, right? Because
it's game changer.
Yeah, because I know we're Lovable, and y'all. I mean, if y'all watch my other episode with Alicia Little, she talked about Lovable.dev, where you're able to create it, but it's usually created within there. You're saying with Rork, you could it's an actual app that you could send to the app store.
So it's different. So Lovable, you can still, so Lovable is one of my favorite platforms. A lot of people don't know how to use Lovable the proper way.
Okay.
Right? So when people tell me, oh, I'm struggling with Lovable, right? So there's a specific way that you prompt it. Rork though, but see with Lovable, you can create, it's mostly for web apps, right?
Yeah.
So there's two types.
Yeah.
One is web apps, and then also one is mobile apps, right?
Yeah.
So in the past, I would say literally, like if you pull out your phone right now, and you actually pay for it.
That I actually pay for it?
Yep.
I would say gotta be like 7 or 8.
7 to 8,
Yeah,
right?
in the last 6 months.
The average person in the past 6 months purchases between 10 to 20 apps paid.